Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, as I told you earlier on, I'm called Millie Abe, a student at Bulu University. So yeah, I told you that I'll be taking you through Google applications and all that to simplify your life. And now in today's tutorial, we're going to take a quick drive into Google Contacts. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Contacts and everything there. But before we start, I want to just give you a simple importance like why it's so important. Now, Google Contacts, when you use Google Contacts to save like your phone numbers and all that, the details, even if you're to lose your phone, you can maybe just go into another computer or a phone and then you log in your email and you retrieve all your contacts back here. So that's the importance. And now I think we should get started. So we're going to go to our web browser. Yeah, as you can see, we go to our web browser, and now when we reach here, make sure you're going okay, we're going to use your email. Now as you can see, mine is Yamili Abe, and when you're there, you make sure you sign into the Google account. Yeah, mine is here, and then we go to the email, you tap on this, it's going to bring the Google apps. As you can see, there is YouTube, search, maps, but as for now we are dealing with Google Contacts, so you click on that. Yeah, now, yeah, you can see it's displayed on the screen. On the main screen, you can see there is the name, the contacts here, and there is email. We have the phone numbers. There is even this other part of adding birthdays. Yeah, if you want, you can add, but I didn't do that. So yeah, may I have the phone numbers and the names. Now, on this other side, the side left bar, you can see things like create contact, contacts, the frequent, other contacts, and then we have other features like merge and fix, trash. I think this trash is used like maybe when you want to delete a number, yeah, just click on the number and you do that trash thing like you delete. So now there is this other search toolbar. I think this one, yeah, you all know that I use. Maybe you want to search for a contact. Like let me say I want to search for Ivans, you can just type something there. I can type the name Ivan and it will bring there is Ivan Shani, yeah? So maybe that's if you want to get a specific contact very fast. Now if you want to create a contact, as you can see there is this other feature for create contact, so you click on that and it's going to bring create a contact and create multiple contacts. But if you want to add a new contact, click on create a contact and then it's going to bring you these other many fields. There is first name, there is last name, there is company, there is job, there is email. Yeah, you enter in the details. Now for first name, let me say I'm going to add a contact and the person is called James. So you're going to type in James. Yeah, James. And then the last name is maybe Kasozi. So we put in Kasozi. And then maybe he works with some other company. Yeah, if you have those details, you can put in. And then there is job and there is email. Let me say his email address is okay. Yeah, you can put in anything. You put in the person's details, and then there is this other space for the picture. Maybe if you have the person's photo, you can fix in. That's when the person is calling. You know, yeah, it's Kasozi calling. And when you're done with all that, don't forget to click on the save button to show that you have added a contact and it's there. Then we have this other feature of editing. When you want to edit the person's maybe the okay, when you want to edit details like about the person, the contact you've put in, you're going to come and click on the edit button. And then yeah, you're going to work on when you click on edit, maybe you forgot to put in some other details. You're going to click on edit and then to bring back the features, you put in what you wanted to do, right? Yeah, then after editing, you click on save again to show that I've fixed in this and it's done. Yeah. Now when I come back to my contacts, there is James Kasozi, the person I've just put in. Yeah, and I saved. So Google Contacts is not something hard. It's very important and it's not something hard to use. Now we have these other features. Yeah, there's contact, there's frequent, there's other contacts. These ones here just help you like to navigate through your contacts very fast. When you want to maybe contact a person you talk to every time, frequently contacted person, you got just come and you tap on this frequent, and it will bring the person, okay, the people's names, right? Then you just click on the one you want to talk to. And then there is merge and fix. Merge and fix is a feature used for maybe a person who has more than two numbers in your phone. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, it's not something hard, very easy to use. Now, I know you guys have learnt a lot. So that has been a quick overview through Google Contacts. And if you've found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and can't wait to see you subscribing and watching my next videos. Bye.